Just set this next to you just in case you need a drink for any
How did you get a sweet tea?
Don't worry about it.
Why didn't I get a sweet tea?
Because I wanted the sweet tea.
You didn't even ask me if I wanted one.
Alright. This tea is not for me. It is for you. I don't know how it would feel to do these vows without starting with Sonic tea. So we met over Sonic Sweet Tea. I thought it was the sweetest thing ever when you met me at those front doors with that sweet tea. You're so proud of that tea. We went back to the bonfire, and the very first thing that happened is you dropped your tea. And then you about cried. I felt so bad because it was just something so humble, something so small, something that was just so important to you. So today, I'm bringing you your sweet tea.
Spencer, almost a month as husband and wife and the rest of eternity to go. I love you so much, and I'm so thankful to be able to call you mine and to spend this life with you. I can't help but smile when I think of all the memories we've made together, all the traveling, concerts, dates, and day-to-day moments. You've shown me what it's like to be needed, wanted, valued, and truly loved the way I always wanted to be.
That's great. You look beautiful.
Thank you, babe.
This dress and everything. As we sat there through the bonfire and we talked, I felt like I was at home. I felt like we had been together forever. I felt like it was meant to be. He talked about ops, he talked about future, he talked about where you wanted to be. And all I knew is that I wanted to be right with you. That to me felt like home. You are my person. You have always made me feel so special. You've always made me feel so wanted. So all I want to do in return is to promise you that I will always be your person.
Thank you for loving Aubrey and for giving her the best example of what a dad and partner should be. She loves you beyond words, and so do I. I can't wait to continue the book of our life and to see how the rest of our chapters read out. One day, I'll be old and gray, and you'll just be old. I can't wait to see the day you truly become Paw Tim, and I'll be Granny right beside you.
Love you.
Yeah.
Really great. You're a lot prettier than your brother is.
Let us love like the sun on the fields of Tennessee. Let us be deeply rooted, wild, and free. I love you.
With that, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kiss your bride.
Stupid sweet tea. I love you.
I love you too, babe.